Hi there! Today we are starting a new grammar topic, have got and has got. Are you ready? Let's start. First, let's have a look at the affirmative form. The rule is subject plus have got or has got. For I, you, we, and they, we use have got. There are some examples. I have got a dog, you have got a dog, we have got a dog, and they have got a dog. We also have the contracted form. I've got, you've got, we've got, and they've got. Okay? For the other subjects, he, she, and it, we use has got. For example, he has got a dog, she has got a dog, it has got a dog. We also have the contracted form. He's got, she's got, and it's got. Is it clear? Okay, let's continue. The next one is the negative form. The rule is subject plus haven't got or hasn't got. Okay? For I, you, we, and they, we use haven't got. Again, let's read these examples. I haven't got a dog, you haven't got a dog, we haven't got a dog, and they haven't got a dog. For the other ones, he, she, and it, we use hasn't got. There are also some examples. He hasn't got a dog, she hasn't got a dog, and it hasn't got a dog. Okay? Let's continue. The last form is the interrogative. The rule is have or has plus subject plus got. Okay? In the case of I, you, we, and they, we use have got. The subject goes in the middle of had got. It's between have and got. Let's read these questions. Have I got a dog? Have you got a dog? Have we got a dog? Have they got a dog? Okay? In the case of he, she, and it, these subjects goes in the middle of has got. Okay? Between has and got. There are some examples. Has she got a dog? Has he got a dog? And has it got a dog? I have also included short answers. In the first case, yes, comma, I, you, we, they have. No, I, you, we, they haven't. For example, yes, I have. No, I haven't. For the other group, we have yes, comma, he, she, it has. No, comma, he, she, it hasn't. For example, yes, he has. No, he hasn't. Is it clear? Okay. Have got, have or has plus got, it is used to talk mainly about possessions and personal attributes.